welcome to the channel. Today we are going to be working on this 1974 BMW R60/6. We're going to be changing out the fork seals and the fork rubbers here. So you can see they're really torn up and in pretty bad shape. And then under there, there's some oil on the fork tube. So we're going to replace the seals while we're at it. So first thing you're going to want to do is remove your front wheel and front fender. The tools you're going to need to do that are a 22mm socket for your axle nut, a 6mm Allen for these two bolts here, and then your pinch bolts under here, a 13mm wrench for the nuts on the back side of this bolt, and then a 10mm socket, deep socket, for taking out your brake adjuster. And then we'll get the front wheel and fender off, and then start working on the forks. All right, so now we'll drain our fork oil. So on the bottom of these, there's these little rubber caps. You can just use a flathead screwdriver and get them out of there like that. And then to drain it under here, we're gonna use a 13mm socket. Just drain those out. All right, so then we're gonna get our fork legs off of here. Then we'll use a flathead screwdriver and get these gaiters off. All right, so now that we have our gaiters off, what we're gonna do is just wipe off the fork tube, and we're gonna look for little rock chips or rust parts where the chrome or something is peeling up, something that could cause the fork seal to leak. Okay, and then we're going to take our new fork seals, slide those, kind of careful sliding this onto this tube here. Make sure you don't cut it. This edge is really round, but you can cut it on the edge there. Kind of fragile. And you're gonna want to do it this little lip side. You're gonna want to do that lip side up, where the bottom doesn't have a lip there. So the lip facing up. All right, so now we're gonna remove the old fork seals. If you don't have a fork seal puller, you can just use a flathead screwdriver, and be very careful not to scratch up the inside lip here where the fork seal sits on. Because if you scratch that, there's a good chance it'll never seal again. You'll have to replace your tubes. So you're gonna want to very gently just pull this off, and it should come pretty easy. It shouldn't require too much force. All right, so now we're gonna put our fork tubes on. Pretty easy, same way they came off. This just goes right up in there. The nut and washer from the bottom here. And then we'll use our fork seal drivers. So these are 36mm fork tubes here. Okay, now you can tighten up the nuts on the bottom of your fork legs and put your rubber caps back in. All right, now we can put our rear fender, our front fender and wheel back on. All right, and for this bike, we're gonna use 250 milliliters of just 10 weight fork oil. All right, and now to fill the forks, you're gonna have to take off this top cap here, what I like to use is just a channel lock and a microfiber towel, and they shouldn't be on there that tight. There you go. 250 milliliters of 10 weight fork oil right down in there. And then we'll just thread our fork caps back on here and put them on the same way we took them off, with a channel lock and a microfiber. If you have any viewer video suggestions that you'd like to see, please mention it in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Have a safe ride.